Hi friends, it's Miss Tuyen and my carrot friend. And today we would like to ask you to build a snowman with us. But we don't have snow here in Vietnam. Well, don't worry, I am going to show you how to make fake snow. Yay! Let's go! For our fake snow, you only need two ingredients. First, salt. And second is hair conditioner. You can also use shaving cream or body lotion and just simply mix them all together. So first I will add the salt into my bowl here. Okay, the more salt you put in, the more snow you have. Then I will slowly add in the conditioner, right? So that you make sure that it won't be too wet. Okay, slowly add it in. Okay, and then we're just gonna mix it very well. Okay, you want your snow not too wet and also not too dry. If it's too dry, you should add more cream. If it's too wet, then you should add more salt. And you can also put this in the fridge for about an hour so that it feels cold like the real snow. Ta-da! This is my snow. I have put it in the fridge for a long time now. So now it's real nice and cold and it is ready to play. Alright, let's build a snowman. Okay, I am not very good at building a snowman, so I made a duck instead. Show us what you built on Story Park. Goodbye. See you next time.